Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. In this video, we are going to learn how can we add image marquee effect or image crawling effect in our WordPress website. So let's get started. First, we need Elementor to add this functionality. Just go to plugin and click on add new plugin and search for Elementor here. Okay, Elementor is here. Click on install now. Sometimes it's take time. Okay, so Elementor installed, then click on activate. Elementor plugin also activated. Then we need another plugin called MarqueeAddons here. Here it is. Just click on install now. Okay, Marquee also installed. Then click on again activate. So that's all. We need these two plugin Elementor and MarqueeAddons, and then create a page. Image Marquee, and click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so right now I am in Elementor, and then search for here Image Marquee. So it's here, Image Marquee. Just drag the marquee widget here and select photos. Okay, I choose this images. Okay, so here we can see marquee is running. We can make it vertical like this and also horizontal. We can make it reverse animation flow like this, and we can add also lightbox effect for this marquee. Okay, so if we click on that, it will pop up, yeah, like this. And we can add caption. So right now there is no caption. We have title. This is the title. You can select also image title, caption for this marquee. And there is another option called additional options. From there we can load the images lazy using enable this lazy load switch. So if we don't want to add lazy load, we can simply switch off this button and pause on hover. So right now if I hover on this marquee, is paused. So when I turn off this, it will not pause. And we can add shadows. There is shadows, and we can increase or decrease animation speed like 300. It's running fast. Okay, another thing, when we add vertical, show vertical, then there is an option called slider height. We can also adjust this height from here. And okay, then turn off this feature. And in style option we can, okay, just decrease the speed a little bit, 50 default. So a horizontal alignment not work for horizontal marquee, so we can this work for vertical alignment. For an example, image will align in center, it will align in center, top and bottom. And we can add space between images like this. And there is option image to increase image width. We can also increase our image width and max width option, and height. We can increase and decrease image height also. And previously we have added shadows option. So when we click on box shadows, we can increase our shadows here like this. Okay, let's make it green. Okay, we can vertically. Okay, let's click on spared. So this is how we can add also box shadows. We can add border like this, solid border width, I set 5 pixel, make it accent. And we can add also border radius, for an example 50 pixel. So this is how actually Image Marquee works. So this is how we can simply edit Image Marquee functionality in our WordPress website, or image scroll effect. Thanks for watching.